Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. If this is your first time here and you like what you see, why don't you think about subscribing? So, I just got this package from FedEx, but right before I got this package, I got two letters from the city of New Orleans because they have two speeding tickets for me, which I don't understand how that happens because I barely drive the speed limit to begin with, but it's $260. I wish that I had not ordered this. But yeah, so maybe this will cheer me up because I'm a little peeved, and I started this video like 5 times, so this is halfway open. I actually had to look at my bank account to see where I was going to figure out what I was doing on Canal Street. Apparently, like a speed demon running away from a volcano. I was going to Michael's and Joann's. So there you go. Crafting is a dangerous hobby, apparently. I'm already seeing some stuff and I don't know what's going on. I like the what the hell? Was it high? No. Because I don't speed and I don't do drugs. Alright. Sorry, baby. Let's see what we got. It's only one page. I'm proud of myself. 1.5-inch St. Patrick's clovers and hat striped ribbon. Is this? Oh, okay. Business. You are one of my life. Okay. Clovers and hat stripe ribbons, $4.95. Okay. That goes together. Estelle textured linen ribbon in emerald green. This green is almost aggressive. I mean, not like horribly so. It's just, does that look really green to y'all? This is $11.25 and this is a 50-yard roll, right? Yeah. If you search, linen ribbon on Craft Outlet, they have this in 2.5-inch, 1.5-inch, and a bunch of different colors, and it's a really good ribbon to have. I think I had it in the olivey green color, and I still have it in like the 2.5 like natural color. It's just a good basic ribbon. Alright, I'm going to skip over all this mesh because that's at the bottom. 1.5-inch metallic ribbon black. That feels like a high-quality garbage bag. $4.50. This is not my first choice. This is the only black ribbon they had in stock at Craft Outlet that wasn't like glitter. So, cool. 1.5-inch royal canvas ribbon in dark yellow. Okay. Oh, that's kind of, can you see my fin? $3.75. But yeah, that'll work for what I need it for. 1.5-inch wired velvet ribbon moss green. Y'all know that I need a velvet ribbon. Often. $3.75. That's a great price. And that's a beautiful color. And let's see. This is outdoor. $2.5-inch outdoor velvet ribbon. I don't know what the difference between outdoor velvet ribbon. $4.95. Oh, it's just got like the plasticky back on it. I'm not into that. I would prefer. Let's see what this one is. Yeah, this has like a fabric back. This has like a plasticky back, but you gotta do what you gotta do. That'll work. Okay, let's go back up to the top now. 21-inch metallic purple. Y'all are like, wait, didn't he just post a video about like the purple, the 21-inch mesh like almost killed him? Yeah, but still, That's all they had. So $5.95. 10-inch poly mesh, metallic brown / copper. RE 130104. Yes. Metallic brown / copper. Put that right there. That's $3.95. Deluxe full mesh foil, wide foil mesh. Ugh. It's this one. Deluxe wide foil moss apple. $5.95. Is this for St. Patrick's Day? Maybe? Mardi Gras? I don't know. 10-inch poly Deco mesh wide foil metallic orange. $4.50. Got 2 of those. Oh, never mind. Now I see it. See, orange, green, carrot. With wide weave orange, $4.95 for 2. Snowball Deco mesh yellow and white, $6.95. I don't know why. Not really sure. Emerald, $4.95. This is the value Deco mesh, chocolate brown, $4.50. Wait, so this and this are the same price, but they only, I wanted like the plain brown, so. And this is metallic chocolate and copper. Oh, 1, 2, yeah, metallic chocolate and copper. Okay, that's interesting. So yeah, let's see what we're doing with these. I thought I ordered like 4 brown meshes because they're for something specific. These are for, this is all Easter to make like carrots. I think the purple's from Mardi Gras. Yellow, I have no idea. Green, no idea. These are for Black History Month is coming up in, what is the month that's the next month? February. So I have different shades of brown, and the Black History Month colors are red for blood, green for, oh man, green for natural beauty, and yellow for, probably should have looked into that beforehand. I know the red is for blood because I saw that ribbon and I was like, that's a nice blood red for what I'm doing, but this. But I didn't know if it was going to be olivey green or kind of the emerald green, so I got this because I can use this for spring too. But yeah, and then this is, throw this together with this in a black and white, and we have another St. Patrick's Day wreath. Yeah, so that's one wreath, or maybe this is, again, a bunch of 1.5 inch ribbon. I'm kind of disappointed with this. Only because I'm like, I could really use this money now. Could have waited. Could have waited until I got more money. Punch me in the teeth. Alright, y'all. That's it. Yeah, it shipped pretty quick. I ordered it on, let's say order date. Purchase date January 1st, so that was Saturday. They were closed. They were closed Sunday. It shipped Tuesday. It got here Wednesday, so, you know. Cool. Alright, thanks for watching. This will be coming up in February. This will be coming up in March. February, probably, I don't know. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.